You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.
Revival of standard specs. The 2024 Kawasaki models ZH2 and ZH2 SE have appeared, once again in a dual lineup.
All I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Kawasaki Motors Japan announced that the 2024 Super Naked Z Series flagship models ZH2 and ZH2 SE will be released on August 31st, 2023. The high-end Model SE was fixed in April, but standard specifications were also revived in accordance with Reiwa's exhaust regulations second year, which means that the two-line lineup has been rebuilt, equipped with a balanced supercharged engine that complies with the latest exhaust regulations. A standard specification Super Naked Model ZH2 that maximizes style SUGOMI and performance SUGOMI has undergone color changes and tronic graphics that implement Skyok technology. The lineup is only for advanced model ZH2 SE, which strengthens the front brakes with Brembo style in the calipers, master cylinders, but the dual features are back again. It's a form. The prices are 2,013,000 yen for STD and 2,290,900 yen for SE. Release date is August 31st, 2023.